Welcome to this demo on how to upload your files from Dropbox to API Spreadsheets. This is our file that is in our Dropbox account. It has two sheets, customers that has a list of customers with their first name, last name, and date of birth, and then foods, which has types of food and their location. Log in or create an account on apispreadsheets.com and then click on the Upload tab. From here, click on Dropbox and select your Dropbox spreadsheet. Sign into your Dropbox account and click Allow for API Spreadsheets to get permissions on your Dropbox account. Click on the spreadsheet that you want to upload. Now you will go directly to its Files page. Copy the API URL and you can see that the data in the JSON object is from the sheet Customers. API Spreadsheets default is to read the first sheet in your uploaded file. However, I want the food sheet to be read instead. To get to this, you go to Change Sheet under Action and change it to the food sheet in this case. If you go back to refresh the API, it will automatically change to the specified sheet. But if you look closely, the data is a little off. This is because it is reading it from the first row, but we want to change that as well. So go to Actions, File Options, and change the start row to 3, where our column names are beginning. When you refresh again, the data should be looking as you need. Start uploading from your Dropbox today. Check out our playlist for more in-depth demos and tutorials.